Aliexpress versus Dhgate dropshipping, which is better? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a quick comparison between Aliexpress and Dhgate and which is the better platform that you should start sourcing your products from and making your dropshipping business. So you might be wondering, okay, both of these are Chinese platforms or marketplaces where you can find different Chinese items. So what is the basic difference between these platforms and what can you really expect from either Aliexpress or Dhgate? So starting off, Alibaba and Dhgate are both manufacturers that connect large wholesale sellers and buyers. So if you're working with Dhgate, then you're going to be working in bulk. If you're working with Alibaba, you're going to be working in bulk. But if you're working on AliExpress, then you're not going to have to buy stuff in bulk. Now, next up, you might be wondering, okay, what are some of the tips that you can follow through to make a successful business off of AliExpress or Dhgate? Both of these platforms are very decent to buy and source your product. So what can you really do to actually establish your business and make money? Now, you can definitely plan ahead, watch for scammers, ask questions, request samples, negotiate, pay through a method that offers protection. So usually I would suggest that you pay through PayPal and then read feedback and use your common sense. So these tips are applicable to both AliExpress and Dhgate. So you have all of this in mind, you're starting your product hunt and you don't know which platform to get started on. Well, let's take a quick analysis of both of these platforms and actually see for ourselves what kind of products do they have to deliver and what kind of expectations can we keep. So starting off, we're going to search for a lace blouse on AliExpress and then I'm going to search for the same thing on Dhgate. Now you can see over here that we have quite a variety of results on AliExpress, and if we go on to Dhgate, you can see that the type of results we're getting on both of these platforms, although I have searched for the exact same thing, are pretty different. So you can see over here that there are more targeted ads as well, but there is also a lot of white and basic looking tops, while on Dhgate the products seem a bit more unique. They don't seem exactly like what the stuff you see constantly being pushed on Alibaba or AliExpress is. So although they have a pretty bad name as the same for Alibaba or AliExpress, Dhgate actually does have some quality items that you might even want to consider buying. So once you have a good estimate after you do this search a lot of times, so you're going to have to do this search a couple of times to actually get accurate results. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Pokemon this time and see what kind of results I'm going to get from both of these platforms. And depending on your results, obviously you're going to alter your preferences to order from this or that platform. Now you can see over here I have searched for Pokemon, and on Dhgate I have quite a variety, but if I search on AliExpress I also have a variety, but it's focused on cards, but this is focused on merchandise. So these are just kind of minute details and minute differences you're going to be able to find off of both of these platforms. Now this is all of the stuff that they have in common. They are both going to have a very similar mindset on how to approach your business dealing. So it doesn't really matter if you're starting off with AliExpress or Dhgate. It really does matter what your dropshipping business is going off for. So starting off to start your dropshipping journey, may it be with AliExpress or Dhgate, you're going to start creating your online store, and you can do this using Wix or Shopify or any other third-party application that you might prefer. I would suggest that you can use Ecwid to start off if you want to start off for free and then move on to Shopify. But if you want your own kind of navigation website, you can definitely go ahead and check out Wix. So you're just going to go on wix.com and you're going to create your account, and then you can get started on designing your own website. So with the overall approach for both of these platforms being the same, what are the key differences that you need to keep in mind? Well, first off is the pricing. Well, AliExpress offers some of the best deals and the cheapest prices that you're ever going to find, while Dhgate offers no such fantastic deals. You also have buyer protection. Now, a comprehensive buyer protection policy that offers refunds and returns on AliExpress, while on Dhgate you have standard buyer protection policy, and Dhgate holds payment in escrow until buyer confirms. Now, after that you have delivery time, and products are shipped from China. International shippings usually vary between 15 to 25 days, but products that are shipped from China, international shippings can sometimes take 3 to 5 business days on the Dhgate system. So if you're going for a Dhgate product, then you're definitely going to be able to deliver it far quicker than a product of AliExpress or Alibaba, because Dhgate is going to provide you a lot less delivery time. Now after that you have your refund processing time, and on AliExpress that is 5 to 10 days, while on Dhgate it's 2 days. So that is something that might be very important to you, so you can opt for DHgate if you find that feature to be that essential. Now you have application support on both of these platforms, and you also have customer service on Alibaba and DHgate. Now, understanding my point, both of these are very good platforms to start your dropshipping business. You can choose either one that you like, but make sure you do have your own e-commerce store, your own website to link to this kind of platform, and make sure that you understand what the details for your business are going to look like and how much you're going to invest in these applications and how much you're going to invest in the products that you buy from these applications. But you need to keep in mind that if you are looking to buy and start your dropshipping business, what are the platforms that you're going to be able to source your products for the lowest price, and you need to make sure that you're sourcing products for the lowest price on the minimum order quantity. So if you have 5 to 6 items that you want to start your Ecwid store with or Wix store with, you need to make sure that you're able to actually purchase one item at a time. And for that regard, I usually do recommend Aliexpress to people because it allows individual sales and you can dropship items directly to the customer's doorstep. But on DHgate, you might have to manage your own inventory as well. So it's not going to be direct dropshipping, and you might have to hold some items and ship them yourself as well. But there are some savings you can make on Aliexpress and DHgate, which is comparing product prices. Now, if I search for bullet keychain, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I search this on both of these platforms. So I'm just going to search for bullet keychain over here. And once I have searched over here, you can see that on Aliexpress this is available for 0.43 cents. And now you can also see it is available for 33 cents, 4 cents, or any kind of keychain is usually under 3 cents. But if we go on DHgate, we're going to do a quick price comparison between the both. So you can see on DHgate I searched for a bullet keychain, but I'm not getting accurate results on the top. But after that, you can see I have a pretty decent listing for these bullet keychains, and these are selling for 0.94, while on Aliexpress they were selling for 0.43. And this is how you can understand how to make money off of these kinds of platforms and which wholesale or dropshipping platform you should choose. Definitely, in my opinion, I would choose Aliexpress because it is more established and you are going to get the better deal on Aliexpress. But DHgate is not a bad platform, and I wouldn't say that you should delete it right now, but I do find that using an interface that is more easy to connect with is going to be more helpful for you as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.